In this video, we're going to be learning how to activate hyperfocus mode. Now, we already did a bunch of meditations where we concentrated on the breathing, concentrated on a simple object, a physical object. You can do that with anything in life. You can do that with a math problem. You can do that with a conversation. You can do that while you're taking a class, listening to the teacher in hyperfocus mode, listening and gaining knowledge. You can do that in pretty much any situation. You can choose what you want to focus on and you can hyperfocus on it. You can also do this in life. You can pick a career or a direction and really hyperfocus on that. A relationship, a job. You can use the hyperfocus for whatever you want. And whatever you hyperfocus on grows and expands. Think about how you would like to use your hyperfocus mode. What would you use it on? Maybe leave a comment in the discussion section of this video. What do you want to use your hyperfocus mode on? And actually start trying to implement it. Try to use your hyperfocus for something that you want in life.